Okay, y'all, we had the Harbor Days spring break sale. We picked up a few items today, as y'all can see. So we're gonna start off with this drill. Got the cordless drill. As y'all can see, it's 3/8. Comes with a battery and charger. Picked this score up from Harbor Freight today. I bought two. I mean, the price was so good. We got two. It's not the best drill. And you see it has this plug-in charger, versus the base kind. It ain't the best drill, but we got this drill for $14.99 from Harbor Freight. As you see right there, $14.99. I bought two of them, so it was $29. All right, then we're gonna go to the zip ties. We got 111-inch zip ties. We got these for $1.99. Usually they're always cheap at Harbor Freight, but $1.99, why not pick them up? Okay, you see the $1.99 on there. Okay, now we got a funnel set. It's a 4-piece funnel set. It's pretty dope, 4-piece funnel set. Shoot, we picked the 4-piece funnel set up for 99 cents. 99 cents a day, 4-piece funnel set. Can't beat that. Okay, then after the funnel set, we're gonna move to the 7-foot by 9 tarp. This does have the D-rings in it, Well, not the D-rings, they're just the normal little rings, but they're basically tie-down rings that you can, tie down whatever you got, cover whatever up you got, It's 4 mil, so I mean, it's thick, but hey, not the thickest. I got flatbed tarps for my truck. They're way thicker than this, but this will do the job. It definitely says light duty, but hey, you keep your stuff dry. I picked this tarp up at Harbor Freight. We got the tarp for $2.94. I bought two of them. Got the blue tarp for $2.94. All right, we're gonna move on from the tarp. We're going to this guy right here. We got the Click Tight torque wrench. I went with the 3/8, but 3/8, they had the 1/2 inch and the 1/4. I'm not gonna open it up right now, but I don't know. We're gonna give it a shot. It was a good deal. Got the torque wrench for, I believe, we got the torque wrench for the $9.99 for the torque wrench, 3/8 torque wrench. But the 1/2 inch and the 1/4 torque wrench were all $9.99. I wish I would have got more. So we're gonna move some of that out the way. Then we're going to the Ratchet Straps, the 1x15. I'm just glad these were on sale because I borrowed last time. I had got a TV for my pickup truck. Well, I got a TV and I loaded it in my pickup truck. And I didn't have no ratchet straps. But especially some 1-inches, they're perfect. So I had to borrow from my neighbor, but now I got my own, and we picked these up at Harbor Freight today. And I believe these ratchet straps were for $7.99. I bought two, as y'all can see. $7.99. Hey, can't beat that. 4-piece. Pretty durable. They do everything we need. All right. Then we picked up this handy dandy little lantern. I couldn't leave it, It's got the handles on it. It runs off 3 or 4 batteries, I believe. But you slide it up and voila, you got your light. Let's see if we can cut off the light in here, see what we got. Yeah, we cut off the light in here. Look at that. Look at that. We're lighting up. Yes, sir. Comes with 4 batteries, on the bottom. It already came with the batteries. Perfect little lantern, Let's get the light back on. I think we paid, how much did we pay for this lantern? And when you close it up, it's pretty dope. It's an outdoor lantern, 3 AA batteries. That's what it comes with. Luminar Outdoor. I'll let y'all know how long it lasts. But we got the lantern over here. I don't know how much. Oh, okay, I see the lantern. We got the lantern. It's collapsible lantern for $3.89 at Harbor Freight. Okay, we're gonna move on to these mini picks. You know, I had to get these. I like to use the mini picks, and this is a 4-piece of miscellaneous picks. You know, got a hook, little pointers, but we got the hook set for 99¢. The hook set was 99¢, mini pick and hook set. We bought some safety glasses also, which I already put them in my truck, so I'm not gonna be able to show y'all that. But the safety glasses are also 99¢. Then our final item would be this flashlight, which was on sale. As you see, it lights up pretty good, you know. We got a good little flashlight going on out of this guy. But we got the flashlight, and I believe the flashlight, it's a tactical flashlight. We got this for $8.99. Maybe not the best price, but I think it'll be all right. It's 3-in-1 function, high-low storage, you know, up to 3 hours. Pretty decent light, you know, almost like a mag light. Definitely police duty type light. As you see, we got the light for $8.99. So y'all go down to your local Harbor Freight. I think this deal is over on April 10th. For you to be able to pick up some of these items, man, if they're still in your store, this is a good deal. I want to say this is one of the best deals. This is not all the deals that I got. Oh, we left something out, guys. I got the screwdriver set too. We got the screwdriver set. This has multiple screwdrivers, you know. We got Phillips and flatheads. So this is all good right here. And I was trying to see if they were magnetic. Oh yeah, they got magnetic tips, so that's even better, you know. You keep up with your screws like that. But we got the screwdriver set now. This was a heck of a deal. The cushion screwdriver set. This is a 12-piece, guys. We got this 12-piece for $4.99. Like, good Lord. Can you beat that? $4.99 for the set? Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Yeah, so we picked this up at Harbor Freight. Like I said, the sale's on, I think it ends on April the 10th. You don't need any coupons to get any of this stuff. It's already marked down. You don't need no coupons. Check out your local Harbor Freight. I don't make much videos, so I know like the camera's not steady. I got bloopers. I got the lights off. Yeah, you know, I just make videos on different things I run across. But y'all like and share and subscribe. Comment too, man. Let me know what else y'all picked up or what you liked or what you think you might pick up. We gonna talk with y'all later.